Magistrates Court. Vanessa, very good afternoon to you. So, a packed courtroom, a strong showing in support of the arrested students. Have proceedings actually gotten underway?
Good afternoon to you. Yes, quite a bit of support for the 16 students arrested during yesterday's violent protest on campus. We've also seen students aligned to the UCT Fees Must Fall campaign coming out here to the Belville Magistrates Court in support of their colleagues from the University of the Western Cape. Now, proceedings have not yet gotten underway. A word from inside the courtroom is that the state and legal teams are still talking and in discussions before the actual proceedings get underway. Now, early on this morning, we spoke to students aligned to the Fees Must Fall campaign from the University of the Western Cape, who made a number of allegations that private security officials employed by the university have been, in their words, allegedly sexually harassing them, and also allegations that they've made that police have used hate speech, including the K word, during yesterday's violent protests. Now, I've spoken to Lutando Bongo, spokesperson of the University of the Western Cape, as well as Frederick van Wyk, who is the spokesperson for the SABC here in the Western Cape, who have both said that at this stage there have been no reports from students with regards to the allegations of sexual assault and also hate speech levelled against them. At this stage, there is quite a strong showing of support here at the Belville Magistrates Court, but proceedings not yet concluded in the case involving the 16 students, 11 of whom face charges of arson, public violence, as well as malicious damage to property. And then also during the rampage yesterday, a number of security officials and paramedics attacked allegedly by these students. So 5 of them arrested on charges of assault to grievous bodily harm. We're waiting for an outcome outside the Belville Regional or Magistrates Court.
Vanessa, has there been any kind of backlash from the students after they were arrested yesterday?
We've spoken to university management as well, and this morning, just looking and driving around campus, things seemed very much quieted down and calm following the visuals we've seen yesterday of police engaging with students, and also a number of furniture items like couches, etc., waste bins being set alight. As at the time when we left university this morning, it was all but deserted, except for a few students outside the Chris Hani residence who spoke to the SABC, telling us that their views and their actions are being misrepresented by the media. That very same group now having made their way here to the court in support of the 16 that have been arrested and that are due to appear in court later on today.
All right, Vanessa, thank you very much for that update. That's our reporter Vanessa Poonah live from the Belville Magistrates Court.